I'll start with a story. So it was of my sister, cousin sister. Okay, so she has a twins. It's been like 8 years old. These kids. Okay, so both of them are boys, and the first one, the elder one, is more of no talking. He doesn't speak at all. When it comes to the second, the younger one is more of a talkative kind. Like if I'm traveling with him on a car or something, he'll ask, "Why don't you collide with the other car?" So he's more of that kind of a fun-natured person. So similarly, if you see this kind of people, right? You see they are from the same environment or the same household they are being brought up, right? So similarly, in our offices, where we have the same manager, but the people are treated in a different manner, right? So what are the reasons for this? We call it as a politics. I don't want to debate on that. But only thing is, see, I found an answer to this. That is where the words, only words cannot help. If I understand, so we need a connection between them. It is like a connection between both of them should be there. So let me consider, if I just summarize the same story, like I had a sister, she has two twins, and both of them are, if I tell it in such a dull way, so there is no connection, there is no connecting at all, right? So my whole agenda here is the principle is connecting goes beyond words. From that is a book called the Everyone Connects and Few Communicate. So connection, there are three which includes, you can remember it by the word T, that is thought, emotion, and action. So these three parameters are very important in connecting with any person. So if I consider only a thought, so which is having a word, something you are just telling it. So it is via word, which is just a 7% of connection between a person. So when you consider it as emotion, that is like a tone, the voice modulation, which I just made. So that is like adding a flavor, adding a feel actually. That is emotion, which is having 37% of connecting, right? So when it comes to action, so that is where the whole the play is actually. So you need to have the action. The action is where the body language speaks. So something which is more than 50% of what you are communicating or connecting with people. So these three principles, if you miss one of them also, we cannot connect, but all the three are most important for a person to keep connecting with the others. So I'll come to these characteristics of how we communicate or how we connect. So one is, anything or any message you try to convey must contain a piece of you, right? So if you are just telling, just as I was mentioning, right, you are just telling the words or information, it doesn't make any sense, right? So everything should, the message should contain a piece of you, like a story which is of yours, right? And the second one is, nothing can happen through you until it happens to you. Okay, let me give a small example here. If someone else idea you want to represent to some person, it is very difficult to represent someone else's idea until you discover it and you feel some positive impact in yourself. So my topic was on connecting goes beyond words. So to summarize, just remember this, guys. T, that is thought, emotion, and action. These three are very important in connecting with any person. Thank you, Srikant. That is what I have.
Okay, awesome, Puneet. Good content. So very good. So I think, uh, so guys, what Puneet was covering is, I think you got the point, right? So in fact, most of the technical people, we think, okay, connecting or communication, oh, why do I really want, right? Uh, I have few managers sitting over in this call, right? They would really know the pain of connecting with everyone, right? Their subordinates and all. It is equally important for, probably if you are an individual contributor, it is equally important for you to connect with your boss or with your co-workers in order to make an enjoyable journey, right? In order to, there is a statement, the number one criteria for actually getting the promotion or advancement in career is very, very important about the effective communication, right? So the number one criteria, it is a very famous saying by Nichols. So we cannot take it